Game starts in 3, 2, 1. Right, you go. Go.
Hit! Hit! Connor, run with me, we're going this way, yeah. Can't run anywhere else. Who's going to go first? Alrighty, that one. Right out of the trench there.
It's gonna go, it's gonna go. If someone could take them out, I'll go on and get it.
Shot, nice shot, kid. No one else here. Dead ahead that way.
It's good.
Have you ever heard of the light shirt contest?
Yeah.
I'm in it.
I'll pull that way.
My pals.
Well, you've got a rifle. If you want to come here, I've got a direct line of someone. If you come here, I'm watching someone over there.
Yeah, I've got a lot of people.
Wait, if you want to come here, you can see a bunch of guys.
Get up in there.
Get up where?
You see him sort of between the buildings.
That was a quick jab and a half. Got one or two there.
Yeah, and the hexagon straight forward to two guys watching us the whole time.
Nice.
Also, go.
Yeah, they're literally behind that wall.
Oh, that's the door. 2.
Anyone got a grenade?
No. Gun, please.
There's one guy right down there at the end.
Yeah, they're all coming.
Right as you think that corner.
Hit! Gonna move back, running back into the building. Damn it, wrong side!
Get the flag up!
Got the flag! Tell you what's remaining!
Come on, boys!
There's still 2 or 3 people in the building in front! A lot of just walking up.
Left.
Yeah, be careful!
In the tree line!
You're running centre now.
Kristen, 90 metres front!
Right in between those two trees, there's a guy.
Is there?
Okay, go. 3.
Watch out, up that way.
Run now.
Got the objective!